Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to compare Redmi 11 Prime versus Poco M5 with full specifications like display, design, performance, AnTuTu benchmarks, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Redmi 11 Prime has a 6.58 inches screen, and the Poco M5 also has a 6.58 inches screen. If you look at the display type, both phones comes with an IPSLCD display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a Full HD Plus resolution. Redmi 11 Prime and Poco M5, both phones has 401 pixels density. In the aspect ratio, both phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, both phones has 83.92%. In a refresh rate comparison, both phones supports up to 90 Hz higher refresh rate. Redmi 11 Prime and Poco M5, both phones comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Redmi 11 Prime has 163.9 mm, and the Poco M5 also has 163.9 mm. Redmi 11 Prime has 76 mm in the width, and the Poco M5 also has 76 mm width. Redmi 11 Prime has 8.9 mm in the thickness, and the Poco M5 also has 8.9 mm. Looking at these two phones' weight, Redmi 11 Prime has 201 grams, and the Poco M5 also has 201 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Redmi 11 Prime comes with 3 different colors, and the Poco M5 also comes with 3 different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Redmi 11 Prime has a triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixels primary lens, a 2 megapixels macro camera, and a 2 megapixels depth camera. And the Poco M5 also has a triple camera setup, with a 50 megapixels primary lens, a 2 megapixels macro camera, and a 2 megapixels depth camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Redmi 11 Prime supports up to Full HD resolution at 30 fps, and the Poco M5 also supports up to Full HD resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Redmi 11 Prime comes with an 8 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. And the Poco M5 also comes with a 8 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Redmi 11 Prime comes with a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, whereas the Poco M5 also comes with a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Redmi 11 Prime and Poco M5, both phones supports up to octa-core 2.2 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, both phones comes with a Mali G57 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Redmi 11 Prime comes with a MIUI based Android 12 operating system, and the Poco M5 also comes with a MIUI based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. Redmi 11 Prime comes in a 2 variants, 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. And the Poco M5 also comes in a 2 variants, 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. Both these phones comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's compare the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Redmi 11 Prime is 5000 mAh, and in the Poco M5 also has 5000 mAh. Redmi 11 Prime and Poco M5, both phones supports 18 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Redmi 11 Prime and Poco M5 comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones doesn't have an NFC support. Both these phones comes with an IR blaster. Redmi 11 Prime and Poco M5, both phones doesn't support 5G network. Both these phones comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Redmi 11 Prime comes with a Bluetooth 5.1 version, while the Poco M5 comes with a Bluetooth 5.3 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In an AnTuTu benchmark score comparison, Redmi 11 Prime has scored 361,389, while the Poco M5 has scored 366,351. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Redmi 11 Prime, the 4GB 64GB variant is priced at 12,999 rupees, and 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 14,999 rupees. Poco M5, the 4GB 64GB variant is priced at 12,499 rupees, and 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 14,499 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.